Hello, little adventurers. Today we're going on a magical jungle journey. Can you hear the birds singing? Can you feel the warm sunshine on your face? Let's sit tall, take a big breath in, blow it out like you're sending love to the jungle, and get ready for the adventure. Our adventure is about to begin. When we sit in easy pose, we feel calm, just like a quiet pond. Our backs grow tall and strong, like a mountain. Our focus becomes sharp, just like an eagle who can see far away. We feel peaceful, like listening to soft jungle sounds. And this pose gets our minds ready for all the fun adventures ahead. The second one is the butterfly pose. In butterfly pose, our legs flap like wings. It makes our hips feel open and light. We feel free, where we sit just like a butterfly flying in the garden. It helps our body become flexible and happy. And it fills us with energy to explore more of the jungle. Next stop in the jungle is the tree pose. Stand tall and balance on one leg, just like a tree rooted to the ground. Our legs grow strong like tree trunks, and our arms stretch high like branches reaching the sky. Even when the wind blows, we stay steady and balanced. This pose helps us feel strong, peaceful, and calm, just like the tallest tree in the forest. Let's crawl on our hands and knees and move our backs like a tiger. When we arch our backs, we grow tall and strong. When we curl our backs, we feel our spine relax. This pose makes our backs flexible and powerful, and it lets us playfully roar out our jungle energy. Our adventure is coming to a peaceful end with star rest pose. We lie down gently on the soft jungle grass and look up at the twinkling stars. Our breath becomes soft and quiet, like the night breeze. This pose helps our whole body relax and feel safe. We finish our jungle journey feeling calm, happy, and full of light inside. Follow it Growing Up Tales for more magical stories full of wonder, growing up adventures, and heart-touching moral lessons.